Hello everyone, I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti. And in this part of the video, we are going to start with a new chapter, and that is Leçon 1, which is Les Salutations. So let us go on to that page. So here we are at the page, and this is the chapter 2 of Apprenons le Français book, which is published by the Saraswati House. So the name of the chapter is Les Salutations. What does that mean? It means the salutations. Hi friends, this boy with black hair is my friend Anish from India. Let us learn French along with him. So the mouse says that the boy with black hair and the blue t-shirt is Anish, and the boy with brown hair and green t-shirt is Manuel. So Anish says salut, which is hello. Manuel replies salut, je m'appelle Manuel. Hello, I'm Manuel. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? And you, what is your name? Anish replies, je m'appelle Anish. Now let us go on to the next conversation. It is between a man and a woman. The man says, bonjour madame. The woman replies, bonjour monsieur, which is hello ma'am, and the woman says, hello sir. Excusez-moi, vous vous appelez comment? Excuse me, may I know your name? Je m'appelle Sophie Delpa. Et vous? Which means I am Sophie Delpa, and you? Je m'appelle Jean Mata. So the series of the dialogues are written here, and in which way we need to pronounce is from the series. Now let us go on to the next page, in which we learn how to greet people. Here is the mouse and Anish, which are saying some new words, and we need to learn them. Bonjour, which means good morning. Enchanté, delighted. Comment ça va is how are you. Salut is hello. Bonsoir is good evening. Bon après-midi is good afternoon. Bienvenue is welcome. So let us go on to the next topic, in which we need to give attention. So just like in English that we have informal and formal conversation, in French also we have two types of conversation: conversation informelle and conversation formelle. So let us learn what is the difference between them. So here are some examples given to us. Salut, comment ça va? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? So these both mean the same, that hello, how are you? But just the main difference is that in informal conversation we speak to our family members or friend, but in formal conversation we speak to the elderly persons or strangers that we do not know and we are meeting them. So now let us go on to the next page. Here, apprenons répondre aux salutations, which is let us learn how to reply to the greetings. So, as you can see from the baby's face, we'll guess that which type of word it is. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal, comme si, comme ça va mal. So, ça va is fine. Ça va bien is fine, good. Ça va bien, merci is fine, thank you. Pas mal is not bad. Comme si, comme ça is so-so, and ça va mal is not good. Now let us go on to the next part, in which we learn how to say goodbye. So there are many words given to us, and they have a particular meaning, but they in collectively means to say goodbye. Au revoir, bonne journée, à plus tard, bonne nuit, à demain, bon après-midi, bonne soirée, à bientôt, à tout à l'heure. So let us go on to the next page, in which we learn how to be polite. Apprenons des mots de police. So there are 5 conversations or dialogues given to us, in which it will tell us how to be polite. Excusez-moi madame, entre s'il te plaît, which is excuse me ma'am. The ma'am inside replies enter please. So let us go on to the next dialogue, which is pardonnez-moi monsieur, pardon me sir, de rien, je t'en prie. It's nothing, I forgive you. Now let us go on to the next one, which is s'il vous plaît papa, which is please papa. And why is the girl saying please? As you can see, there is an ice cream stall in front of her, and he wants to eat that. Now let us go on to the next one, in which we have désolé. Oh, ça va, which is sorry. Ah, it's fine. So why is the boy saying sorry? As he has accidentally hurt the boy, another boy. So, il n'y a pas de quoi, merci beaucoup. And why is this conversation happening? As the student is giving flowers to his teacher, then she's saying that il n'y a pas de quoi means it doesn't matter, and merci beaucoup, which is thank you. So let us go on to the next page, in which we learn two types of conversation and their examples. So Lise says dialogue, which means read the dialogues. Conversation informelle, which is the informal conversation. Dialogue 1. Harry says salut. Ron replies salut. Comment tu t'appelles, which is what is your name? Harry replies je m'appelle Harry Potter. I am Harry Potter. Et toi? And you? Ron replies je m'appelle Ron. Now there is another conversation, the formal one, in which we have the Professor Manuel and he himself. Bonjour Manuel. Bonjour monsieur. Comment vous appelez-vous? Hello sir. Hello Manuel. What is your name, sir? So the professor replies, je m'appelle Jean-Martin. I am Jean-Martin. Manuel says, au revoir monsieur. Then the professor replies, au revoir Manuel, which means goodbye sir, and the professor says goodbye Manuel. So that was all for this video, and we are going to complete the leftover part in the next part of the video. But हाँ, एक बात और, जो मेरी इससे पहले की 0 लेसन्स की वीडियो हैं उसमें मुझे कम वॉइस की कई लोगों से कंप्लेंट आई है और मैंने उसको इस वीडियो में सॉर्ट आउट कर दिया है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट मी टू रीमेक दोज वीडियोस ऑफ लेसन 0 देन यू कैन टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल डू इट फॉर यू. Thank you and have a nice day. That was all for this video, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel before going. Bye bye.